are we going to continue to talk about this? Where are the Huey P. Newtons? Where are the Malcolm X's? Where are, Martin Luther King, as we were speaking of earlier, in his latter days? Like, where are the people that are going to go to the forefront right now and say, this is not going to stand, this is not how we will allow you guys to treat us? Where are we at?
They're right here. The men of the Lord that y'all are looking for are the same men that y'all call gospel cues, purple Power Rangers. The men that are going to be on the front line for you, those are the men that y'all see in the streets every single day. The ones that they make skits about. These are your new leaders. Malcolm X, Huey P. Newton, Martin Luther King did wonderful things for our people. They showed that they weren't afraid to stand up to oppression, but they also showed that there was a correction morally and spiritually needed within our people. This is why the Lord has called us back today. It says in the book of Isaiah chapter 30 and verse 20, and although the Lord give you the bread of adversity and the water of affliction, yet shall not thy teachers be removed into a corner anymore, but thine eyes shall see thy teachers, and thine ears shall hear a word behind thee saying, this is the way, walk ye in it, when you turn to the right hand and when you turn to the left. How else would you hear that word? Unless you were walking on the street and you heard brothers teaching and they said, hey, change your life. Stop committing adultery. Stop committing fornication. Do the things that God put us on this earth to do. Live righteously. These are your leaders. They're back. You just got to listen to them.